Hi friends, we all have smartphones and there are times when our phone's battery is draining faster. So today I'm going to share 12 battery saving tips for smartphones. So let's get started. Number 1. Adjust your screen brightness and keep screen timeout short. Use auto brightness of your phone to maintain optimal brightness. Lower the brightness manually to conserve battery. Also, adjusting your phone's screen timeout as short as possible will significantly increase the life of your battery, as screen is the most battery power drainer. Number 2. Turn off Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS when not in use. Turning on these services all the time will drain your battery faster, because they are always looking for possible connections, networks, etc. when they are not connected. So turn off these features when you don't need it. Number 3. Do not use vibrate mode. Vibrate mode is one of the worst settings for your phone's battery life. When you use vibration instead of normal ringing, it will drain your battery sooner, as vibration motor of your phone consumes more battery than normal ringing. Number 4. Turn off push notification and data fetching. Though push notifications give us information instantly as it happens, its constant data checking drains your battery faster. So adjust these notification settings for each app will increase your phone's battery life. Number 5. For AMOLED phone screen, use dark colored wallpaper. If you own AMOLED phone, most Samsung smartphone comes with this. Use a dark colored background wallpaper to reduce usage of battery. AMOLED screens only lit colored pixels. Blacks are unlit. So darker pixel means less power is needed to light up the screen. Number 6. Use light or go versions of apps. Using light or go versions of app is a great choice if you have small battery capacity phone. Light apps also need very few storage space to install and works even in a weak network areas. So if you like to use less amount of phone battery, then consider using light or go versions of apps. Number 7. Turn off vibrate and haptic feedback. Turn off those small vibration when you type or dial a number and other notification which comes with vibration to reduce the unnecessary battery uses. Number 8. Remove unnecessary widgets. Often your phone's home screen may be flooded with weather, news, social media widgets to give you real-time updates. But these are battery drainers because they are often vibrantly colored and always syncing data. So keep only those widgets which are really needed. Number 9. Turn off automatic sync. If you don't really need to stay updated with your email up to the minute, you can turn off this feature. Instead, sync manually or reduce auto sync interval after every few hours. This will give a boost to your overall battery life. Number 10. Turn on flight mode when you are in poor or no signal area. If you are in a no signal or poor signal area, your phone will keep looking for a signal all the time, even though there is no signal at all. This will drain your battery faster. So turn on airplane or flight mode to to reduce battery consumption. Number 11. Stop over and undercharging. Keeping your phone's battery between 40 to 80% is best for your battery. Don't let your phone drop below 40%. If you let the battery drop very low and then charge again to full, this will shorten the lifespan of your battery life. Also, do not overcharge your phone if it is already full to avoid overheating. Number 12. Use battery saver of your phone to save battery. Use battery saver option on your phone to reduce apps background activity, then syncing to stop syncing, and minimize system animations. Lastly, do not expose your phone to extreme heat like inside of a hot car, as heat is the biggest enemy of all kinds of batteries. That's it for today. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing for further such new videos. Thanks.